Welcome to Desai Academy of class 10th, chapter number 7, control and coordinations. Okay, next topic will come movements of plants towards stimulus. In a previous video we discussed that types of tropic movements. What are the types of tropic movements? There are four types of tropic movements. One is phototropic, second one the hydrotropic, right? Third one the chemotropism, fourth one the geotropism. These are the four types of tropic movement. Okay, so we will study one by one what is the meaning of phototropic, hydrotropic, chemotropic and geotropism, right? Next, so environmental triggers such as light or gravity will change the direction of plant parts growing. Okay, the plant is growing, so that depends on the several factors from the environment. Triggers means, here the meaning of trigger means movement, so it will helps the or provokes the movement of plants by several factors, like light also influence the movement of plant, and also gravity also makes the movement of plants in a particular direction. These are the some examples that will influence the movement of plants. These directional or tropic movements can be either towards the stimulus or away from it. Okay, these light or gravity, these influence the moment of plant means the stimulus, the change or moment, so that towards the stimulus or away from the stimulus. There are possibility of what the plant movement towards the stimulus is or sometime it will away from the stimulus. Both cases are possible here. So in two different kinds of phototropic movements, one is towards the stimulus, another is what, away from the stimulus, right? In these two type of tropic movements, shoots respond bending towards the light. Okay, another very important definition for your exam purpose. First they will ask what is a phototropism. What is a photo means what here, meaning of what, sunlight, correct? Photo means what, sunlight. So tropism meant movement of what, plant. The meaning itself telling that phototropism. They will ask what is phototropism means, we can write easily. Photo means what, you can write, say easily what, sun, right? Or a sunlight, right? Tropic. So tropic means what, you can easily say movement of what, plant. Movement of plant. Phototropic, the photo means sun, and movement of what, plant. The plant movement with respect to sun is called as what, a phototropic. We can easily understand and remember that. What is the phototropism means, so you think that it is the movement with respect to light of sunlight. Okay, what is the definition, proper definition? The movements of shoots respond by bending towards the light. The movement of shoots bending towards the light, while the roots bending away from it is called as what, phototropism. What is phototropism? The shoots are what, bending towards the light, and the roots bending away from the what, light is called as a phototropism. For example, so here the plants are showing bending towards the light, and roots bending away from the light is called as what, phototropism. Okay, very important definitions. What is phototropism? The shoots bending towards sun, and roots bending away from sun, away from it is called as what, phototropism. Very important definition. In your annual exam it is definitely they will ask what is the phototropism, right? Next, okay, plant show tropism in response to other stimulus as well as, not only plant showing response to the sunlight, other than this they will also showing what, a moment to response. We already discussed that that is the water, that hydro means water only, geotropism and chemotropism. These are the other tropic movements. Now we have to study here. First we will discuss it that only sunlight or phototropism. Next, the roots of a plant always grow downwards. The roots of a plant grow downwards while the shoots usually grow upward and away from the earth. This is called as what? Geotropism. Very important definitions. What is geotropism means? You can easily write the roots of a plant always grow downward direction and shoot always grow away from the earth is called as what? Geotropism. The experiment is here. This figure 7.6. The roots are going towards the earth, correct? Towards the earth, and the shoots are growing away from the earth is called as a geotropism. Mainly in a geotropism, roots bending towards the earth or growing towards the earth, shoots away from the earth is called as which type of tropic moment? It is called as a geotropic moment. A very important definition. These are the very important definitions. They will ask definitely for 2 marks or 1 marks. So this is the definition of what? Geotropism. The roots of a plant always grow downward direction, and the roots always grow downward direction, and the shoots always grow upward direction. This is called as a upward direction or away from the earth is called as a geotropism. Remember that very important point. Respectively, the in response to the pull of the earth or a gravity is obviously what? Geotropism. It is what? Responsible pull of earth or a gravity is called as what? That is the same geotropism. If hydro means water and chemo refers to chemicals. Okay, other two types we discussed that the hydro, correct? Hydro meaning what? Hydro meaning is what? Hydro meaning is water only, correct? Chemo means what? Chemo means chemicals. Chemo means what? Chemicals. These are simple. Other two types of tropic moments, right? Next, okay, another, what is the meaning of hydrotropism? What is the meaning of hydrotropism? Means the plant shows movement towards water is called as hydrotropism. Simple. What is hydro means? Again we split the word. Hydrotropism. Hydro means what? Water. The plant showing response towards the water is called as hydrotropism. Simple thing is there. What is hydrotropism? The plant showing towards the water, so it's called as what? Hydrotropism. Simple definitions is there. Very easy to understand. What is hydrotropism? The plant show towards the water side is called as what? Hydrotropism. Simple definitions are there, but very important for your annual exam. Okay, next, what is chemotropism? One example of chemotropism is what? Growth of pollen tubes towards the oils, about which we learn more when examine reproductive process in what is next chapter. Okay, what is chemotropism? Means very important definitions also. Chemotropism is the what? Growth of pollen tubes towards the oils. This is called as what? Chemotropism. What is chemotropism? Is the growth of pollen tubes towards the oils is called as what? Chemotropism. So in your exam they may be asked for 4 marks. What are tropic movements? Write and explain them. Means you have to write 4 of them, and definitions. It will give what? 4 marks. Sometimes they will ask for single marks also. So write, define chemotropism or define hydrotropism or geotropism or phototropism. Otherwise they will ask 4 marks. Means you have to write what is meaning of tropic movements. Tropic movements, the plants response to the stimulus in environment is called as what? Tropic movements. There are phototropic movements, geotropic movements, and chemotropism and hydrotropism. These are the 4 types of tropic movements. You have given this, means you have to write, and you will get definitely 4 or 5 marks. Sorry, 4 marks only. Sometimes they will ask 5 marks, means they will give another questions with A and B, or sometimes they will give A, B and C also they will give, right? So you have to remember and read very carefully. So very important questions are there. Next, Let us now once again think about how information is communicated in the basis of multicellular organisms. Okay, we already know that in multicellular organisms there is a communication is what precisely correct, because the multicellular organism not contain a single cell, it is a variety of number of cells are there, correct. This movement of the sensitive plant in response to the touch is very quick. The movement of sunflower is response to the day or night. On the other hand, it is quite slow. Okay, we already discussed that the movement of sensitive plant is very quick. But some moment is also there. The movement of sunflower, the direction of sunflower changes with the direction of sunlight, correct. So that movement is very slow. So some movement is very slow, some movement is very quick. So how it is possible? So some plants are showing very quick response, like in sensitive plant. Some plants showing very slow movement, that called as what sunflower. Okay, this is they are asking growth related movement of plant is even slower. So growth related movements also what are even slower. So the growth related are even slower, and some are having very quick, some are having what very slow rate. Even in animal bodies there are carefully controlled direction to growth, correct. In any animal body there is a development in a particular order, only in a particular way. It is not a randomly, it is not haphazardly growing. So it is a continuously in a particular order the growth of the animals is going on, correct. Our arms and fingers grow in certain directions, not haphazardly, correct. Our arms is growing in a arms and legs are growing in a particular way. It is not haphazardly, means it is not randomly growing. It is not what by default it is not growing. So it is a particular order is maintaining in our body, so in that manner they are growing continuously. So controlled movements can be either slow or fast, but the movement can be slow. Okay, the movement can be slow or fast, but these movements are somewhat controlled in our body, correct. So our growth is happening from childhood to the what up to middle age or middle age, correct. It is not suddenly we are getting older. By slow process we are getting older, right, means our cells are growing slowly, but they are definitely growing, right. It is a precise manner the cells of a body is growing. If fast response to stimuli are to be made, information transmission must be happen very quickly, correct. If the body growth should be, or if the response is fast, means our information transmission is also very fast, means if you have to respond anything very quickly, means that information is also transferred to the cells is very quick. Then only we can do the rapid reactions or rapid actions. For this the medium of transmission must be able to move rapidly. For the whatever the information we are getting, that information is a quick, means we can do rapidly work or rapidly actions. Okay, understood. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Okay, thank you.